Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, not much happened over the weekend so far, and I also don't think that next week will be very eventful. Bear in mind that on Monday the US stock market is closed, and therefore we might see a quiet start to the week. I mean, the futures market I think is open though. Still though, the crypto sector is like frozen at the moment, and bear in mind, markets. Yep, they can appear frozen for some time, but the crypto market isn't going to be quiet for a long time, right? Typically, as soon as we see a breakout of the range, it will be quite rapid. It's just that we had this rapid sell-off on the 3rd of February. You might remember it. Probably you do. And then the first bounce, which is a possible 5-wave move up, and then this long decline. Yeah, so it's not doing much here at the moment. It's been a couple of weeks now, and the reaction to the support area, which it remains consistent with previous updates, wasn't really particularly impulsive. So the support area remains between $93,640 and $95,470. And the yellow scenario is the short-term bullish count. This remains preferred for now. Okay, this remains preferred for now. Reason for that is because we've had a strong bounce, possibly impulsive bounce, and also this move up from the 12th of February low is a possible 5-wave move, just really on the micro level. In addition to that, you might remember that if you watched the previous videos, end of this week, we had couple of levels invalidate, couple of bearish short-term bearish setups invalidated in this range. So there were a couple of 5-wave movements to the downside, and the rally afterwards invalidated these. Now, those were only our alternative perspectives anyway, but the invalidation of a bearish setup, again, indicates that the bulls are still there, and that they are still a little bit stronger than the bears, okay? Now, that being said, week before, I think we had an invalidation of a bullish breakout pattern. So it's very balanced overall probabilities. But most importantly, we're still holding above support. You know, had we broken below support, had we broken below the 93,640 level, situation would be different, and I would probably be quite bearish, short term at least. And so far, therefore, we are still tracking upside. And the market, though, you see it, we zoomed out, it's just moving sideways. So this could very well just be some kind of a B wave in the white count. So in the yellow count, which is short-term bullish, ideally next week, we see first of all a break above the last high at 98,780, and then follow through with a break above 100,840. And this is the most important one, the 3rd of February high at 102,570. That's going to be the main one here that we need to move above. And this is what the bulls just need to achieve. And I'm leaning towards that until the market breaks below support, which ideally doesn't happen. But if it does, we've got an alternative plan. It would then be the white count, which would, however, open the door to a bear market, but only a little bit. Because first of all, I would track this as a larger degree wave 4, which could send the price sort of into the area around 75K to 82K in an alternative scenario. But this white scenario is an ABC structure, yes, but the C wave would be an ending diagonal. So again, that's another reason why I'm rather leaning towards the yellow count, because the white count C wave is a diagonal, and we cannot trust these. So we've got wave 1, wave 2. This would somehow be an A wave, maybe a B, then a C of 3, then a wave 4, then a wave 5, and again, sort of the area around 82K. There's the next larger degree Fibonacci level. We talk about that every day on the daily time frame when we discuss the daily time frame. But yeah, I mean, that should just give you all the key levels now for Sunday and probably Monday, because I don't think too much is going to happen. I'm always happy to be impressed, but it looks like the market is frozen. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional content updates and a Bitcoin long-term update, check out my latest update here from the MCO Global channel. That's our main channel. Uploaded it just a few hours ago. I talk about the bullish and bearish long-term charts, what I will do in the next larger correction. I talk about some on-chain data as well. So I hope this is going to be interesting, especially given the market isn't doing much. That is, yeah, hopefully helpful. By the way, all the other videos here can provide some value. They are, different content, long-term content that's also long-lasting. So ideally, it's going to add some value for some time. So yeah, link for that channel is in the description. By the way, there will be a special, we'll do something special when we reach 10,000 subscribers. So you can participate in that if you are subscribed. So thanks a lot. Bye-bye.